My routine for today: exercise, 1 glass of water, my food. The finish for my fasting at 8. Now it's 9. Ito mga fruits na to, gustong gusto ko, kaya hindi ko na siya guys sasalain. Sinasala ko, lalo na kung mga kakaibang yung mga mapait-pait. Itong blender na to, mabibili nyo to guys sa aking TikTok shop. Mura lang siya, and ngayon sa aking TikTok shop ay maraming sale. Kaya click nyo lang yung aking bio at andon yung aking TikTok shop. So, wow. This is a perfect start my day. This is my first drink or fruits like food ko na. Carrots, star apple, and banana and carrot. Ang sarap kasi yung star apple, maano yan, matamis yung kay Mito. Yummy. Inom muna ako nito, isang ganito. Tapos ito yung natitira, mamaya ako naman, mamayang ilalagay ko lang to sa ref, mamayang gabi ko inumin bago ako matulog. Or before mag-start ng aking fasting. Pag napapansin nyo, pag nasa time kayo ng fasting guys, wag kayong kakain ng kahit ano. Ang ko lang, uminom kayo ng maraming tubig, and magano kayo ng coffee with lime or lemon. It's very helpful guys. Nawawala yung hapdi or yung yung appetite nyo sa pagkain. Yeah. Nawawala kumbaga yung gutom nyo pag uminom kayo ng coffee with lime or coffee with lemon. Nako, stop na yung nyo. Tapos more water. I love this one. It's very healthy and delicious. Do yourself a diet and exercise for healthy living, guys. A few more tips and healthy and more recipe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and Instagram and TikTok shop. If you buy something, please click the yellow basket. Bye.